That was a pretty cool topic with some practical tips on image processing on Android. Hi, I'm Karen Ng, and I'm on the team that builds Android Studio and Android Jetpack. Before our regularly scheduled programming begins again, I'm here to tell you a little about some of the exciting things happening in Android Studio. In 2013, we first demoed Android Studio at I/O. It was a new IDE built on IntelliJ's wonderful experience, designed to accelerate Android development. It's still such a young IDE. Over 5 years, we've been prioritizing your top asks and progressively building out. For 3.2, we asked ourselves, what do you spend a lot of time doing, and what could make a meaningful impact on productivity? We hear loud and clear that it's all about build speed. It's something you do every day, multiple times a day, and every minute that you're waiting for that build to finish is a minute wasted. So we took a deep look at our data to see what was going on, and we found 2 things to be true. First, your builds over time are actually slowing down. But 2, new releases of Studio are actually improving build times. In the last year and a half, we saw build speeds get faster by 42% on fresh projects. How can that be true? What's happening? Codebases are getting larger. Custom plugins are adding to build times. Annotation processors are negating the benefit of incremental build. New languages are leading to longer compilation times, and if you have many modules, resource management is adding time. The ecosystem and project growth is outpacing our build improvements. We are committed to making build faster. We want to get this right, and we need your help with it. We're giving ourselves stretch goals. We're working on attribution tools that help you understand what's impacting your build speed in your project, and investing in making Gradle and our first-party plugins faster. We know iteration is super important to app development because it's all about trying things out, iterating, and failing fast, and then doing it again and again. With Instant Run, we want to fix what we started and quickly apply changes without losing the state of your app. Deployment times play a huge part in applying those changes, so we've just shipped an update in Android Pie where we're seeing a big difference in real-world and sample projects when deploying developer builds between Pie and Oreo. If you're using USB 3.0 instead of USB 2.0, we've actually seen some times that come close to emulator speed. And that takes us to emulators. Because we want to make iteration speed faster, we are investing in emulators for every OS. At I/O, we showed the ability to save a snapshot of the current state of your emulator and boot up and switch to any snapshot in under 2 seconds. Productivity is also about making hard problems easier. We heard that it's really hard to see how your app is impacting battery life on the phone. So we built the new Energy Profiler in 3.2. You can now see wake locks, visualize the estimated battery usage of system components, and inspect background events that contribute to battery drain. The new beta for Android Studio 3.3 is now available. We know that in order for an IDE to be delightful and to keep you productive, it has to be not just stable, but rock solid stable because of the number of hours you spend here. The main focus for our next few releases will be quality, reducing the number of crashes, hangs, and memory leaks, fixing user-impacting bugs, and investing in our infrastructure and tools. We know that sometimes we've missed memory leaks before we've shipped, so we're building tools to help detect leaks before they even happen. Okay, now that's it. Back to the regularly scheduled program. The next session will be perfect for developers wanting to tap into AI. We've announced MLKit earlier this year. So whether you're new or experienced in machine learning, MLKit enables everything from image labeling to face detection and more. On to the next session, building smarter apps with MLKit.